You use your hands more than any other part of your body, don't you? So it would be the best if you protected them as best as you can. A simple knuckle injury can lead to a very devastating result. Hard Knuckle Tactical Gloves offer amazing protection while allowing their wearer to maintain complete dexterity, grip, comfort, breathability, etc. Therefore, in today's video, we will discuss the 5 best hard knuckle tactical gloves based on the features and functionalities. So without further ado, let's jump into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Offering high performance and superior protection for your knuckles, the Mechanix-M-Pact 3 covered is designed for law enforcement personnel and professionals who face challenging situations on a daily basis. It has a dense one-piece thermoplastic rubber knuckle guard that is anatomically designed to absorb impacts to the back of your hand so that you can experience improved mobility and protection during hard charging operations. Besides, its 2PR closer creates a secure fit on your hands. These gloves use spandex, thermoplastic rubber, and synthetic leather as their build material. Its impact protection meets EN 13594 impact standard that offers extreme abrasion resistance, and its EVA accordion padding reduces impact to the thumb and fingers. On top of everything, they feature nylon carrier loops for convenient storage and are machine washable. All in all, the Mechanix-M-Pact 3 covered gloves will be an amazing option for you with their certified impact protection and added grip where you need it the most. Now, we have another great pair of hard knuckle full finger tactical glove from TitanOPS. These are high quality military gloves offering protection for your hands, preventing scratches and cuts. These gloves are made using microfiber, leather, lycra, and nylon. Overall, they offer amazing comfort as well as protection. Its palms are reinforced and knuckles are hard molded plastic. Because of the warmth they provide, you can also use them for winter. Cleaning and maintaining these gloves are relatively easy as they are machine washable. There are also adjustable wrist straps that ensure a snug fit. However, these gloves become uncomfortable if used for an extended period of time. If you're looking for a pair of quality tactical hard knuckle gloves, then you'll definitely love the TitanOPS full finger because of its protection, functionality, and usefulness. They are versatile and proven to be ideal for tactical training, cycling, shooting, and other activities. Glove Station makes quality tactical gloves worthy of your attention, and the combat is no exception. Breathability is something fundamental to consider in tactical gloves, and one unique feature of these gloves is the superior airflow they provide via their padded mesh and rubber air vents on the back. Besides, they have durable double-stitch seams and PU leather pumps for added grips. Interestingly, you can use the touchscreen devices without any problem using these gloves, which is excellent. However, these gloves might take some time to break in, and their Velcro straps are not of the best quality, but if durable stitching and breathability is something you prefer with protection, you can definitely go for the combat from Glove Station. Providing superior impact resistance and protection from abrasion injuries in the field, the WTACTFUL Military PU Leather is a pair of hard knuckle tactical gloves with comfort, breathability, and unique sewing technology. It is built from one-piece anatomically shaped thermal rubber that is thick enough to protect your knuckles, providing outstanding impact resistance. Besides, they are made of durable microfiber artificial leather and breathable stretch nylon material. Its material is fast-drying, water-resistant, and lightweight. Moreover, it also features an adjustable wrist design like the Combat from the Glove Station. These 3-season gloves are also touchscreen friendly, and this is a convenient feature to have these days for sure. Overall, the lightweight and comfortable WTACTFUL Military PU Leather gloves work just as well as they're designed. And with an adjustable wrist design, they provide an amazing sense of snug and support wherever you need. As the #1 hard knuckle tactical gloves on our list, we have the Mechanix-M-Pact Multi-Cam Camo. These extremely durable hard knuckle gloves offer full coverage hand protection, comfort, extra grip, and optimum durability. You're good to go with your smashing jobs, as these gloves feature a thermoplastic rubber knuckle guard and dedicated finger guards to reduce impact and abrasion injuries. You can be sure of it because of having the EN 13594 impact standard they meet. Their armored text, palm reinforcement, and breathable dry feature keep your hands cool and comfortable. Besides, their D3O pump padding absorbs and dissipates high impact energy. Apart from this, their 0.8mm touchscreen capable synthetic leather provides impressive dexterity, and these gloves are machine washable as well. In a sense, the Mechanix-M-Pact Multi-Cam Camo hard knuckle tactical gloves dissipate high impact energy, protects your knuckle, and reduces hand fatigue, allowing you to get fully engaged with whatever you do. So that was all about the 5 best hard knuckle tactical gloves just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.